Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show to you the way how to edit your picture to be more aesthetic or too good or to look better with Picsart application with the replay features. So first thing we have to do is just open the Picsart application over here, and then just need to wait until it's perfectly open. And the next thing we need to do is just go click at this plus button. Or if you want to use the replay button, you need to stay in the home section over here. There will be like a lot of Picsart replay that you can use here. So you just need to like scrolling down and find out the effects that you want to apply into your photo. Let's say here I would like to have this one. So this is the before and this is the after editing, and then you just need to go click this try, and you just need to wait and pick the picture that you want to add. Let's say I would like to use this picture. So here you just need to follow everything on your screen. On this bottom side there will be like a lot of options here. If you don't want to use this effects, you can just go back, or you just need to go click skip to skip the part of the sections. But then here let's just go click next. So here already adjusted for this color controller of the picture, and I just need to go click next. And here also have a text on it. So if you want to change the text here, or you want to replace it or just remove it, you just need to go click X here, and then you just need to go click next. And you're done. So you already got this new editing. So let's just compare between before and after. So this is before we editing. So this is after we edit. You can see the difference, right? And whenever you're done, you just need to download this picture by go click this. And you are done. So that is the way how to make a good picture or edit the good picture with the Picsart replay. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.